Hello students, in the last practical, that is practical number 2, we have seen how to implement the logic gates in the PLC simulator. We have seen one example for the AND gate. We have tested the truth table for AND gate in the PLC simulator. You can also test the remaining gates, logic gates in that simulator. Let us start with the third practical, and that is develop ladder diagram to test the De Morgan's theorems. So here on the screen there are the two De Morgan's theorem. The first theorem is a NAND gate is equivalent to an inversion followed by the OR. Okay, so at the left hand side NAND gate is shown, that is AND with one bubble or inverter, that is NAND gate. So it is equivalent to the inversion followed by OR. So A input and B input are inverted and then given to the OR gate. So we can say that AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So this is the first De Morgan's theorem. Then second De Morgan's theorem is NOR gate is equivalent to an inversion followed by the AND gate. So that is NOR gate is given on the left side, and that is OR gate with the inverter or bubble, and on the right side it is AND gate and each input of it is inverted. Okay, so the equation or expression for this will be A plus B bar, that is NOR is equal to A bar plus B bar. Now here is the truth table for the two theorems. So first is A dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So for that the proof is given. So you can see here A dot B bar. So here it is A, then B, then A dot B and A dot B bar. Okay. So for the four conditions 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, A dot B will be for 0, 0 it is 0, for 0, 1 it is 0, for 1, 0 it is 0 and for 1, 1 it is 1. Now for A dot B bar, okay, so inversion of this, it will be 1, 1, 1, 0. So for the input 0, 0, A dot B bar is 1. For the input 0, 1, A dot B bar is 1. For the input 1, 0, A dot B bar is 1. And for the input 1, 1, A dot B bar is 0. Now we will check for the right hand side of the theorem, that is A bar plus B bar. Okay, so this is A bar, this is B bar, and for after OR gate it is A bar plus B bar. So for the four conditions A 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, we will test this. A bar will be, it is the complement of A. So for 0 it is 1. For A is equal to 0, again it is 1. For A is equal to 1, A bar is 0. And for A is equal to 1, A bar is 0. Like that, for B is equal to 0, B bar is 1. For B is equal to 1, B bar is 0. For B is equal to 0, B bar is 1. For B is equal to 1, B bar is 0. Then A bar plus B bar, that is ANDing this. So 1 and 1 is 1. 1 and 0. Then 0 and 1. 0 and 0. So this is 1, 1, 1, 0. Sorry, this is OR operation. 1 or 1 is 1. 1 or 0 is 1. 0 or 1 is 1 and 0 or 0 is 1. Now look at the output of both. A bar A dot b bar is having output 1 1 1 0, and a bar plus b bar is also having output 1 1 1 0. So we can say that we have proved a dot b bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. Now let us see the next theorem, second theorem. Okay, so here it is second theorem. See here it is a plus b bar. This shows that OR gate is a plus b. Its inversion means a plus b bar. And here it is a bar dot b bar. So here is the truth table for this. So let us consider the inputs as a0, b0, a0, b1, a1, b0, a1, b1. Now let us take a bar, that is inversion of this. 0 is converted to 1 and 1 is converted to 0. Then b bar means inversion of this. Now a plus b, so it will give you 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, that is OR operation. 1 or 0 is 1 and 1 or 1 is 1. Now a plus b bar means output of this circuit is, now a plus b bar means inversion of this a plus b. So 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0, 1 becomes 0 and 1 becomes 0. Now we have to calculate the output of this circuit, that is a bar, this is a bar, dot b bar is equal to y. So a bar dot b bar, so that is 1 dot 1 is 1, 1 dot 0 is 0, 0 dot 1 is 0 and 0 dot 0 is 0. So this is the truth table of second De Morgan's theorem. Now let us implement this, okay, using the virtual lab. Okay, let us first get the first De Morgan's theorem, that is a plus b bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. So for a plus b bar, so let us see how to do this. A plus b means in the parallel branch, first in the parallel, second a and b are in parallel. So this input switch is here, okay, and then let us take one parallel branch like this, go to mouse, then parallel branch, complete the parallel branch clicking on plus, then take a second input here, then the output device here, okay. So let us name them as A and B as we have given. So let us name it as A, suppose, okay. Then second is called as B, let us give the name as B here and submit, okay. Then click on this and give the tag as A plus B, okay, it is A plus B and submit it. Now we have to invert this A plus B, whatever is this A plus B, we have to invert it. So for the inversion, take this close contact. First we have to add one rung, then take this close contact and put it over here, okay. Now one output device at the right side and name it, click on mouse, then name it as tag A plus B. See, whatever is A plus B we are taking it here, so give the name as A plus B and here it is output. Suppose we call it as output 1 and submit. Okay, so this is our first De Morgan's law. A plus B bar is equal to, we have to show that A bar dot B bar. So for that purpose we have to add another rung, A bar dot B bar. So get here A bar, take here A bar, then B bar. Okay, A bar B bar is equal to, so for that purpose we have to take one output device like this, give the names. So this is, go to the mouse first, so it is A bar, or you can see A, it is inverted, no need to give as bar. Then it is also, it is B, submitted, and output O1 is for left hand side, and for right hand side we will get as O2 and submit it. Okay, so let us check for the conditions. See the truth table for the De Morgan's theorem, where A plus B bar is equal to A bar into B bar. So check the truth table. For 0 0, so this is 0, this is 0. First we will compile it. It says that compiled successfully. Now run it. Okay, for 0 0, this is 0, this is also 0, the output should be 0. So here it is our first output, that is left hand side output, and this is the right hand side output. It should also be 0. Then for 0 1, so it is 0, and this is toggle it and make it as 1. Then output should be what? This output is 1, but whatever is the output of this is O1 is 0 and O2 is also 0. Left hand side output is 0, right hand side output is also 0. Then next for the 1 0, it is also 0 0. Okay, and for 1 1, it is also 0 0. So hence our first De Morgan's law, it is satisfied. And what is that? First De Morgan's law, A plus B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. In the next practical we will see the second De Morgan's law.